Hi, this is Yoshi. Lecture 12 is a sailing boat number 2. Okay, this one is you need a rectangle paper, not a square paper. First, fold at the center, parallel to the longer side. Unfold, and then fold this at the center to divide the longer side line into half. Now, open and fold a triangle at the center line. Open end will be the bottom side. This is important. Do the same for the other side. Then fold a small triangle at the corner of the non-triangle zone, the band zone. And the opposite side as well. The next is turn over the entire paper and each corner to fold a small triangle as well. This is the third one, and this is the last one, the fourth one. Now, reverse the trapezoid to show the colored side. Trapezoid is the one which the upper line is shorter than the bottom line. And reverse the entire paper and fold the other side of trapezoid as well. The next is insert your finger into the colored area and rotate 90 degrees. Then it will look like this. Then fold a triangle for colored side towards upper side between white and colored side. When you do this, leave some space against the center line. And do the same for the opposite side. And the next is insert your finger into the colored area again and rotate 90 degrees. Then the shape of the paper will look like this. Grab the upper side of the colored area and pull upwards. For this part, please refer to the supplement video. It explains better. And now start to work for the finishing. Press tight. And this is what you see now. That's it. Okay. This is the sailing boat number 2. And now you're going to watch the supplement video. Use a rectangle shaped paper. First longer end, then open, and then the next is the shorter end. And when you fold this triangle, make sure the open end will be the bottom line. So now you see big triangle and rectangle band. On the band side, fold a small triangle. And you do the other side as well. Now this trapezoid to fold to the center, the white side. Do the same as at the other side as well. And now insert your finger into the colored area. This is what I was mentioning. And then rotate 90 degrees, then fold a triangle. Don't fold at the center, leave some space between center line. And opposite side, do the same. And again, insert your finger into the pocket in the colored area and rotate 90 degrees. And then pull upwards like this. And do the finishing. This is the sailing boat number 2. Okay, the next is lecture 13. See you.